I hope you must have done Dobrynin's triads, Newland's law of octaves, Mendeleev's periodic law, and the modern periodic law. I had asked you to write the notes systematically as I had taught. Hope you must have done it. Today I will explain the long form of the periodic table of elements. The modern periodic table has 18 groups and 7 periods. Groups. Vertical columns, that is from top to bottom, going from top to bottom, are called groups. Periods. The horizontal rows, when we move from left to right across the period, they are called as periods. Horizontal rows. I repeat, vertical columns in the periodic table are called dash, groups. Horizontal rows in the periodic table are called dash, periods. Group 1 elements. You see here the notations clearly. 1 and here in Romans 1a. They are called alkali metals because they dissolve in water to form strong alkalis. Example, LiOH, NaOH, KOH. The elements of group 1, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium here is radioactive. Group 1 elements, they form unipositive ions Li plus 1, Na plus 1, K plus 1. The rest characteristics I had sent you yesterday. Group 2, 2A elements are called alkaline earth metals. Why? Because they dissolve in water to form alkalis and their oxides are found in the earth's crust. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. They have valency of +2. Learn the exact pronunciation, children, and learn the names of all the elements in group 1A and 2A. The elements here in the middle are transition elements. You should only know that the elements from group 3 to group 12, they are transition elements. Next, I come to group 17 elements, halogens. Group 17 or 7A. All these elements have 7 electrons in their valence shell. They have valency -1, F -1, Cl -1, Br -1, I -1. Halogens, they are salt formers. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine and astatine. Astatine is radioactive in nature. A radioactive halogen, astatine. I come to group 18, zero group. Noble gases or inert gases. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. They are called noble gases because they have stable electronic configuration. They do not lose, they do not gain, they do not share electrons with any other atom. This is there in your chapter 1 notes. Just for you to know, children, there are certain elements which are inner transition elements. Lanthanide series and actinide series. You see the arrows from atomic number 57 to 71, that is from lanthanum to lutetium, and from atomic number 89 to 103, actinium to lawrencium. They are placed here at the bottom. I hope you will understand the location of the elements, and remember, we have group 1, 2, 17 and 18. I will send you the characteristics of the elements of the group 17 and 18 in the next class. Just understand this thoroughly well. Thank you. Take care.